Hey guys, you're back here with Benny and Ben Ventures. Thanks for tuning into my channel. So today I'm doing a bit of a hike and cook at a gorgeous lake, one of my favorite spots. And suggestion, maybe watch the video through the whole entire thing, because there might be some information at the end or somewhere in the video as to how you can win something. Just a suggestion. But again, thanks for watching, guys. Thanks to all my subscribers, and if you're new to my channel, you got a second, hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks, guys. So last night there was a major crazy windstorm, and so there's lots of fallen trees everywhere. So I have to be mindful of that, but so far the trail is pretty good. I'm seeing like branches and things like that, so no big real trees yet. But yeah, it was a crazy windstorm. In fact, on the road here, there was tons of trees that had to be cleared, so there was lots of teams clearing the roads even just to get here. So, but so far so good. No issues at this point yet. Check it out. Little bit of a shelter if you need one and you get stuck somewhere. Let's go inside. Huh. Yeah, that could work nicely. Ground's nice and flat. It's pretty well covered. Looks pretty stable. So that could work. So one of the infuriating things with this GoPro I'm using right now, and kind of the casing that uses the microphone, the audio casing, the battery, because you take the hinge off and the battery just keeps loosening up, and then you have to keep taking the GoPro out, taking the battery out, putting it back in, and it happens a lot actually, even when you just kind of set it down. So super annoying. I don't know if you guys deal with that problem or not with your GoPros, but yeah, super frustrating. Well, that could have been made for a bad day for somebody. Hello. Hello. Hello, can you? Hello. Going on the trail, eh? Very cute, very cute. All right, well, it's super windy, like really windy. So I'm trying to get off this trail and up to the lake as quick as possible. I don't know if you can see or not, but yeah, so it's time for me to move quickly. You gotta be really careful when you're walking on these routes, because they are frozen and they're just littered with ice. So it's easy to bail on these puppies. You gotta be super careful. Also, I'm pretty sure it's snowing up here. So I just made it to the lake. It's still super crazy windy. But I'll show you guys what the lake looks like when we get there. I've been to this lake during the summer in one of my previous videos, and I'll put that in the description so you can check it out. But it's so gorgeous here during the winter. Alright, so I made it to the lake, and check it out. So nice. It is so incredibly beautiful here. And there's not a soul in sight. Well, it's time for me to head back down, away from this wind and the elevation, and start thinking about lunch. So I'll see you guys in a second. Alright, I found this cool little wreck site right beside, I think it's a little creek here. Let's check it out. But yeah, I can have a fire here. It looks like there's fire rings. Yeah, it's like a little creek that feeds into the river. Check it out. Check it out, there's a couple of salmon that made their way up here. So the pants that I'm wearing today are by Northbound Gear. Not a sponsored video. They didn't send me the pants. They were gifted to me by a friend of mine. So I was trying them out today on the hike, and they're really quite comfortable actually, and quite durable. I don't take care of my clothes when I do hikes and camps and stuff. So far they're holding up pretty decent. Yeah, so Northbound Gear, I've seen lots of ads from them as well, kind of mixed reviews. So far for me, they seem to be working quite well. I'll put the link in the description as per all my other stuff. So, all right, as I mentioned, you might want to look at the video from start to finish, because there might be something at the end of the video that you might want to listen to. So I am doing a bit of a giveaway for a $100 Amazon gift card. So the first person to email me realbenventures@gmail.com, realbenventures@gmail.com, is going to win a $100 Amazon card. And all you have to do is go through and scour through my videos and try to find one video where you see the word mushroom, M-U-S-H-R-O-O-M, mushroom, and be the first to email me at that email address with the title of the video and the time as to when you first saw that word mushroom. And then I will get your details and send you off that Amazon card. In addition to that, a $50 Bosley's gift card, which is a pet store here in Canada, and it was generously donated to me by someone named Karima, who owns the Bosley's in a city called New Westminster in British Columbia here. Will be donated to a puppy at the Barndoor Vet Hospital, which is in Coquitlam in British Columbia, and I'll be donating that and just kind of sharing the photo of which puppy received that gift card as well. So they'll be receiving a Bosley's gift card. So good luck to you guys, and I'll wait for those emails to start rolling in, and yeah. Alright, well, it's time for me to start heading home. So I appreciate you guys taking the time to watch that video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. And if you did, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. And yeah, again, I appreciate all the support, guys. Thanks very much.